Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style. A sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.